The voice of a female plum-headed parrot is softer and less sharp than the male's. She usually makes a gentle chup-chup or pu sound, which is not very loud. When the female is happy or calling her mate, her voice becomes a little higher and quicker, but still calm. If she feels scared or alert, she may make a short, sharp creak sound. In general, the female voice is sweet, quiet, and not as strong or varied as the male. It is also known plum-headed parakeet, which has a gentle and pleasant voice that reflects her calm and social nature. The female uses her voice for several reasons. When she is happy or relaxed, her calls are slow and rhythmic, showing comfort and connection with her surroundings. During feeding or resting, she may call gently to stay in contact with other parrots nearby. Whenever she feels scared or senses danger, her tone changes to a sharper, quicker kree sound to alert others. Unlike males who often use a variety of whistles and mimicry, female keeps their calls short, steady and soft. These natural sounds show how peacefully the female communicates within her group, adding a sweet and melodic touch to the forest environment. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.